welcome everybody. I'm Magyar Panyatila, and I'm a civil engineering, I'm third year's civil engineering students at the József College. In my presentation, I would like to show the DANUBE survey, which was executed in Hungarian and Serbian cooperation between Mohács down to Vezban, from the special aspect of a student. In the project, the József College did the surveying, the geodesy, and the water quality sampling, while the civil engineering faculty of Subotica did the analysis and modeling. I would like to talk about water sampling, geodesy, and ADCP discharge measurement, different way as the students saw these. During sampling, we took samples from the riverbed and from the water at different depths. There were maximum 6 people together in the boat. The leader was Professor Szibert János, and he actively took part in taking bed load samples, and he controlled order and safety. One person was handling the winch. Another was transfusing samples into bottles. 1 or 2 persons examined chemical and biological parameters at the same time as chlorophyll, carbohydrates, pH, temperature, etc. etc. I also joined this ship, and I took care of the bottling. As there were many tasks and people, I could learn a lot of from the others. It was the first time for me in this kind of program, and I like it very much. International atmosphere was very useful for me, and this together with the river Danube and its transboundary nature made the setting very special. Meeting the Serbian students and working together resulted in high quality teamwork. Students for civil engineering faculty of Subotica worked also abroad the ships and participated in the measurements and sampling on both Hungarian and Serbian side of the border. And this picture showed the 4 bosses of the boats. And so we did our measurements in 7 cross-section and 5 verticals. Out of 7 cross-section, 5 were in Hungarian side, and while 2 in the Serbian territory. It was very impressive for me that even at the given low water stages, the river was more than 12 meters deep at certain points. A separate group was responsible for bathymetry. They were using trackmaker to navigate the river downstream and take section crossing the river back and forth every 100 meters. Simultaneously, they recorded water depth and GPS coordinates in each point. It was a very long exercise, often lasting until dark, as the GPS receiver was sometimes out of order, incapable of measuring, but finally these measurements were also finished on time, and the task was successfully thanks to the group led by our Professor Tamás Joanna and Varga. ADCP measurements were done by the experts of the Water Authority of Baja with 2 students. They measured the discharge and 2 cross-sections. This ship was working simultaneously with the sampling group. The 2 ships were fixed together, and while one was taking the samples, the other was doing the pinging and velocity vectors. All these data will be fed into a new model, so there will be a possibility to control the measurements, and when it will be operational, it will save time and future measurement as well. Our accommodation was in a further border police building in a Hungarian side. This stands for everything. We had the possibility to go fishing on the river Danube, with more or less success. In the silence, calmness, and forest, many people seek recreation from the town. In Bezdan, we set up a little camping site near the Pikes-csárda. The whole field training was a very good experience on both sides of the border. The best was pieces in the forest in Hungarian side, but in Bezdan, high quality food and drink are worth mentioning. During long-lasting talks, in everything we made new friends, and I think it's a very important side effect of these one-week field trainings. For me, the biggest experience was when I was present at the border stone and on the riverbank when the journalist team was working there. And there was no border police, no customs officer, no buildings and nothing else but the river, so peacefully flowing across the border, which I never forget. It's very dangerous.
No, it is not. It is fine.
Thank you for your...
You know what's missing here is the detailed report on after dinner parties.
And now we would like to show a little movie about the two.
It's not missing after all.